In light of Omicron, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is actively looking to update its mask guidance. Soon the agency could update its recommendations for higher quality face coverings like KN95 or N95 masks. And as our Justina Cornell learned, certain masks may be needed with this highly contagious variant.
The best type of mask you can get is a KN95 or an N95.
That's because these masks, which are close-fitting filtration devices, block at least 95% of airborne particles.
They're definitely are even better than the surgical masks, but they're often, difficult to wear all the time because you have to breathe a little harder through them because the pores are a lot smaller.
Congress is even starting to provide KN95 masks to House staff and lawmakers. And locally, all Mercy hospitals are requiring everyone in the hospital to wear an N95, KN95, or medical grade face mask. This is due to the highly contagious Omicron variant. Owner of Urgent Care for Kids and nurse practitioner Meghan Ames shares.
If you have a tied surgical mask, that will actually help you to get a better fit around your face, so that is a little bit higher than that, and then the surgical mask with the ear loops. And down below that would be the cloth mask.
What if you can't find certain face coverings?
All you have access to is a cloth mask, then double up the cloth mask.
Adding more layers reduces the number of respiratory droplets coming through. But none of these masks matter if you don't wear them correctly.
It has to fit well, otherwise I don't care what kind of mask you wear, it's just not going to work very well.
It needs to be around the face, it needs to be touching, you shouldn't have any gapping anywhere. And if you can get a metal piece that holds it close to the nose, that'll give you even better protection. If you have a mask that's a little bit too big, twisting it or tying the loops to make it tighter is going to be a better fit.
Many places are selling masks like Amazon or Project N95, and doctors remind you that any mask is better than no mask at all.
Wearing a mask at as much as possible, I think, would be recommended. Right now it's so hard and we don't know who's infected until they're showing symptoms, and you can get it from anywhere.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
And Justina says you can clean and reuse your KN95 or N95 mask by storing it in a paper bag for a day or two in a dry place. Keeping it in a dry environment is important so the virus does not spread or stay on the mask. So we're asking you tonight, what type of mask are you using? Cloth, surgical, KN95 or N95, or no mask at all? And so far, more than 500 people have weighed in, and most of you say you're wearing cloth masks. You can weigh in by heading to kstk.com/vote or clicking on the vote button on the 5 on Your Side app.